Hello children, today we will do exercises of unit test paper 4 that is given on page number 102. We have done A and B exercises. Children, please don't do this work in your notebook. Okay, last time I forgot to tell you, but don't do this work in your notebook. Just complete the work in the book only. Okay. Then come to the exercise C. Name the following. You have to write the name of the given question in one word. One word. They live in a coop. Who live in a coop? Coop में कौन रहता है? Answer is hens. Why I have written hens? Because it is asking here they. They is used for the plural. Then second is they live in a stable. Stable में कौन रहता है? That is horse. Again you will write horses. Then third is the model of the earth is. The model of the earth is called globe. G-L-O-B-E. Then flat land is called. It is called plain. P-L-A-I-N-S. Then fifth, they twinkle in the sky at night. What twinkles in the sky? That is stars. Okay. Then D is find my partner. All the words are given here. So let's start. Rainbow, dark clouds, spider, cows, lion. In B column, web, 7 colors, rain, den, shade. So rainbow will match with the 7 colors because a rainbow has 7 colors. Then dark clouds will go to rain because dark clouds bring the rain. Then spider will match with the web. Spider makes web, and cows will go to the shade. The home of the cow is called shed. Then lion will go with den. Lion's house is called den. Then we will do exercises of model test paper 2. Okay. This also you just do in your book only. Take the correct answer. 3 options are given. 2 are wrong. 1 is correct. You have to take the one that is correct. First, most plants grow from the stem or seed or root. ज्यादातर जो प्लांट्स होते हैं वो किससे उगते हैं? ज्यादातर बोला है, मोस्ट प्लांट्स, ध्यान देना इस पे. स्टेम से थोड़े से होते हैं, लाइक रोज. रूट से भी कुछ होते हैं, लेकिन सीड से ज्यादातर. मीन्स मोस्ट प्लांट्स ग्रो फ्रॉम सीड्स. देन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ shrub is. What is the example of shrub? आपको मालूम है what is shrub, children? That is bushy, smaller than trees, bigger than herbs are shrub. So tulsi is the example of shrub, mint or cucumber. Tulsi is the example of shrub. Mint is the example of herb and cucumber is the example of creeper. Then it is called the ship of desert. Horse, elephant and camel. This you know, you must know, children, that camel is the ship of desert because camel can use desert to go from one place to another. Which of these does not eat grain? Which of these does not eat? Does not eat means जो नहीं खाता है. What? Squirrel, गिलहरी, hen or fox. You know that the fox is a flesh eater animal. So it does not eat grain. But squirrel and hen both eat grain. So we will take on here. Then the land higher than the hill is called. The land higher than the hill. Hill मतलब hill से जो ऊंचा होता है. Higher मतलब ऊंचे पे होता है. That is called valley or desert or mountain. That is called mountain because valley is the lower part of the two hills or the mountains, or desert is the land which is covered with the sand. So mountain is the correct answer. Okay children, we will just complete C, D and A from the model test paper 2. In the next video we will continue the other work, other exercises. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.